Kinly app. The pros, the cons. Kinly is an investing app that promises simplicity and personalized insights. But is it the right choice for you? Starting with the pros. First, personalized portfolio recommendations. Kinly uses AI-driven algorithms to suggest investments tailored to your risk profile and goals, helping you make smarter choices without being overwhelmed. Second, easy-to-use interface. The app is designed for clarity and simplicity, making it ideal for beginners who want to start investing without complex jargon. Third, educational content. Kinly includes articles and tutorials to help users understand investing basics, portfolio diversification, and market trends. Now, the cons. One limitation is limited asset options. Advanced investors may find the investment choices too narrow, with fewer stocks or ETFs compared to traditional brokerages. Another drawback is fees. While Kinly is competitively priced, management fees can reduce long-term returns if your portfolio grows significantly. The surprising truth? Many beginners skip educational tools, but Kinly's integrated learning can accelerate financial literacy, helping users avoid costly mistakes. In conclusion, the pros: personalized recommendations, user-friendly design, and educational support make Kinly a strong option for new or casual investors. The cons: limited asset variety, and fees suggest experienced investors may need supplementary platforms for more control.